Hey everyone! Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we're bringing you 4 different colors of Flarp Noise Putty. It's about to get real gassy. Alright, so let's see what this is all about. We'll first show this pink noise putty. Supposedly these are supposed to make some pretty gnarly fart noises, so let's see if that's true. Open up the can. Ooh, so here's how the pink putty looks. And to make the sound, you're supposed to press down on the putty and it should start making some fart noises. But I'll show you that in just a bit. First, let's check out this putty. Ooh, it feels a little rubbery. It's not that slimy. Let's see if we could stretch this. It's not that elastic. It'll kind of rip if you stretch it too much. But if it rips, you can just kind of mold it back together. It doesn't feel too wet. And like I said, it's not slimy, so your hands won't get messy. Okay, now for the fun stuff. Let's drop some bombs. Ooh! Excuse you. Ooh. Stop it. Someone really needs to go to the restroom. These are pretty crazy. Let's see if this blue putty is just as good as the pink one. Those first 2 fart noises we made with the pink putty were pretty intense. Here's the blue one. Alright, let's see if we could stretch this one. Whoa, nope. Cut that one right in half. You know what this texture kind of feels like? It's like if I chewed a bunch of bubblegum and I took it out and played with it. Minus the stickiness. Alright, this might get a little smelly, guys. Ooh. Ooh, these were wet. These noises weren't as great as the first one. Let's try making some better noises with this putty. Let's just open it up. By the way, on the can, this says, "Do not eat," so I guess people have tried eating this. I know you guys are smarter, so I know you won't eat it, but just a heads up. Okay, so this color is similar to the pink. It's more of a lighter color. Let's play with it. Oh, it ripped. I wish this was a little stretchier. Can't really do much with it. Uh-oh. I think someone's stomach's not feeling too well. Ah. This is starting to stink. Was that a fart or a duck noise? That was kind of weak too. Alright, let's try to make a really good one with this green one. Open it up. We're gonna make some fart noises. Here is our green. It's a bit on the lighter side. Stretch it out. Oh, hey, this one's not ripping. Kind of at the top, but I think if we slowly do it, then it doesn't really rip. Nice. Ooh, who cut the cheese? Alright, this is the noise of someone who ate a lot of beans. That's what I'm talking about. The green one made some excellent fart noises. Alrighty, we're not done just yet. I think something's hiding in this pink putty. Oh, I saw something. Who is that? Oh, it's a cute little baby monkey from My Littlest Pet Shop. Hold on, guys. I could speak monkey. Ooh, 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 ooh. I just told the monkey that I like the blue hair accessory. Oh, you're welcome. Alright, let's drag you away on this pink putty. See you later. I wonder who's hiding in this blue Flarp putty. Can't feel anything. Come on out. I think it's hidden deep inside. Oh, I see something. Who is it? Oh, it's our favorite superhero, Spiderman! Spiderman, Spiderman. Woo! How you doing, Spidey? What's that? You want to ride the Flarp wave? Okay, no problem. Hang on tight. Oh, he couldn't stay on. Let's see who's up next. Hopefully it's someone cool. Putty's out. Ah, let me put this can away. Alright, there we go. Who is hiding in here? Where are you? Oh, there you are. You're camouflaged. Oh, your ears are stuck in the Putty. Hold on, let me get you out of there. It's Piglet from Winnie the Pooh. Hey, Piglet. Oh, Piglet's shy. Alright, we'll take you back. And it's time for the final surprise toy. Who is hiding in the green Putty? Oh, I see something already. Oh, I know what it is. It's Hello Kitty. Isn't she so cute in her ski outfit? Hey, your beanie's matching the Putty. Let's sit you on top, and you could ride the Putty wave. Off you go. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.